Hello viewers, my name is Faisal. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the mail server configuration. So first of all, the whole reason is that we need one router, three PC and three individual server. The first server is the Gmail server, and the second server is the DNS server, and the third one is the Yahoo server. Uh, eh, Yahoo server. So the Yahoo server. Uh, So first of all, click on the router and goes to the fastest 000 and IP is just put the IP and subnet maxis and just click on one the click. Okay, goes to the router and goes to the config, goes to the fastest 0/1 and just put the IP and just click the one button. Okay, and close it. Similarly, goes to the router and goes to the fastnet 1/0 and put the IP is 1 and just 1. Okay. Similarly, now configure the PC0 PC0. Just goes to the desktop, goes to the IP config, and just now the IP addresses. We put the subnet maxes and default gateway, and DNS server is DNS server. Okay, put the DNS server. Similarly, Gmail server, configure the Gmail server. Okay, configure the Gmail server, goes to the desktop, and IP configuration is get given. So similarly, PC1 and DNS server, DNS server. Okay, DNS server. Okay, and PC2, the DNS server is that the DNS server is now 92.168.1.3. That the DNS server addresses. Okay, DNS server addresses. Okay. now the now goes to the Gmail server. Okay, it goes to the service and goes to the email and just domain name is gmail.com and those that click on the save button and username is pc0 and password is 123. Just click on the plus and pc1 plus. Okay, now goes to the so the goes to the pc0 and now configure the email, configure the your name pc0 and your email address is pc0 slash pc0 at the gmail.com and incoming server is 172.16.0.3. That is the Gmail server addresses, and outgoing server is Gmail server and username is pc0 and the password is 123. Similarly, so and goes to the pc0, uh, goes to the PC1 and goes to the desktop and goes to the email browser and goes to the config and just put one it. Put on all the all the information, all the user information and the service information, server information and the login information. Okay, just save on it. And now the main uh, main function just goes to the DNS server. DNS server just goes to the services, goes to the DNS. Okay, DNS. Just put on the gmail.com and the IP is that Gmail server IP. Okay, Gmail server IP is just copy it and go to the DNS server and just control the V paste it and just add the Yahoo server. Now this is the Yahoo server. What the yahoo.com and the IP is goes to yahoo.com Yahoo server and goes to the desktop, goes to the IP config and the IP just config the IP. Okay, okay, and the address is just paste on it and goes to the add, just press on add button. Okay, add. Now transfer the mail. Okay, from pc0 to pc1. Okay, goes to the pc0 and goes to the email and goes to the compose, and goes to the email and goes to the pc1 and goes to the email. Okay, just put one it and goes to the add, just press on add button. Okay, and pc1 pc1 at the rate of gmail.com and subject is SSSSS and the bodies and the message is SSSS. Just press on the send. Okay, the delivery is completed. Just cross on it and goes to the PC1, goes to the email and just press the receive button. Okay, so SSSS, let's transfer. Just now from PC0 to PC2, so goes to the PC0 and goes to the email and similarly PC2 at the rate of yahoo.com. Okay, now the subject is Yahoo, the PC0. Okay, just send it. Okay, now close it and goes to the PC2 and goes to the email and just receive on it. Click on the receive. So this is the problem. PC2. Okay, email yahoo.com 618.com. Okay, let's transfer it. Okay, transfer on it. The PC0 yahoo.com. So Yahoo PC0. Okay. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So thank you very much. Please subscribe.